So I'm starting with 3 zucchini. This is what I had left over. You can use more if you want. I'm going to go ahead and get this into some boiling water and let this cook for about 20 minutes. You want to cook it until it's nice and soft. I've also started some quinoa that I'm just cooking according to the package directions. In the meantime, I am dicing up half of an onion, and I also have 3 plum tomatoes as well. I'm going to go ahead and get the onions chopped up and get that into a pot along with some mushrooms. I had just 1 pack of mushrooms that I'm going to saute with the onions. So here I've sauteed the onions with about a tablespoon of grapeseed oil for about 5 minutes, and now I'm adding in the mushrooms that I have rinsed off. And you want to go ahead and saute this for about another 5 minutes or so, just until the mushrooms start to get soft. In the meantime, the zucchini are done. I'm letting that cool off for a little bit, as well as the quinoa. So I'm just going to let this cool a bit as well. So with the mushroom mixture, I'm adding in some chopped cilantro. You can use fresh cilantro, but I use this frozen kind that you just pop into the pan. I've also decided to add in some chickpeas. You can omit that step if you want to, but it's about a half a cup of chickpeas, a half a cup to a cup. Then you want to add in your seasonings: red pepper flakes, sea salt, oregano, basil, as well as your diced tomatoes, and let that cook down until it's a nice mixture. So while that's going, I'm going to go ahead and I've cut my zucchini in half, and you want to scrape out the insides to make it like a little boat where you can put your stuffing into it. I didn't want to waste the stuffing, the inside of the zucchini, so I did throw that into my mushroom mixture. I recommend that you dice it up because you see I'm trying to break it with the spoon, but I recommend dicing that before you put it in your skillet. So I'm going to make a sauce to go with my stuffed zucchini. So here I have 2 tomatoes that I have diced up, and I just cut them in big chunks because I'm going to blend this to a smooth mixture. And I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of tomato paste, and I use a organic tomato paste with no salt added. It's just 100% organic tomato paste. I find that adding the tomato paste gives it a darker color that I prefer, and it does add a little bit more flavor. I'm also going to add in a half a teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of basil, and I'm also going to be using some minced onion. And I'm just kind of eyeballing this, but this minced onion, I'm going to add that in as well, about a teaspoon as well. And this is what the mixture looks like once it's been blended. It's a nice color. You can also put in your seasoning as well, your sea salt, to add a little bit of flavor to this as well. So back over with my mushrooms, I'm going to go ahead and start putting in my quinoa. And I recommend that you maybe put in about maybe 4 or 5 large tablespoons, maybe 6 tablespoons. I think I added a little bit too much, but it was still pretty good. You can add more or less depending on your preference, but this is what it looks like. So now I've gone ahead and stuffed my zucchini, which I have put into a baking dish, and topped it with my tomato sauce. And I'm going to go ahead and bake this in the oven for 20 minutes. And this is what it looks like once it's been baking for about 20 or 25 minutes. And there you have it.